So here we have the TECKNET wireless Bluetooth headset. It also comes with a microphone and it's noise cancelling. It could also be used as a single or dual earpiece. It's a great wireless headphone for truck drivers or office and call center work. But for a lot of people working from home, it's great to have a nice, reliable, clear noise cancelling headset to be able to be productive from the house. That it's dual or single headset. Its convertible design allows you to easily convert your wireless headset from a premium mono headset for safe hands-free communication behind the wheel. Then you could transition to stereo for immersive media experience when you pull over at the end of a long haul. You have the option of 3 music modes using the most advanced dual 40mm dynamic sound unit and 3 EQ modes. These headsets were created for audiophiles. Simply switch the headphones between pop music, bass mode, and vocal mode by double-clicking the multifunction button. Its noise cancelling capabilities eliminate up to 96% of background noise by putting into use the latest noise cancelling technology. For devices without Bluetooth function, you could use the USB dongle to connect. 2 smart devices can be connected over the earphones at the same time. It makes it possible for you to pick up a call from your phone when watching a movie on your iPad without switching. You get an incredible 40 hours working time, whether it's music or calls. You got 200 hours of standby time, and it only takes 2 hours to reach a full charge. This headset is fully plug and play and ready to go.